As I keep on saying, the media comment is very important to our mission, because what God sent to the world over 2,000 years ago, he called it good news. Good news. What is the news we hear all over our lives? Bad news. Every day, if we don't hear a bomb that has exploded and killed people, we hear somebody has shot and killed many people, or accidents that have killed people, or train crash, plane crash, car crash, so many things that are nothing but bad news. Last week, a whole bridge collapsed in Italy whilst cars were on high top speed, and 39 people perished. So many people wounded. The bridge is over 60 years old. So these are all bad news. But God sent to this world good news. In fact, when Jesus was born, the angels sang and said to them, shepherds who were available, that will bring you glad tidings of a great joy. Glad tidings means wonderful information, happiness, celebration, peace. And the angel said that peace and goodwill to all people. So everybody is entitled to good news and peace, goodwill and peace. But what do we see? Violence. People are cheating people. The weak are being cheated, abused, all kinds of things. That is why the concept of the kingdom is to bring or to restore back good news to this world, which God has intended that the world should have. That is why we always want to make comments on the news that are on current media.